Hello, Nomad Sculpt, Quick Shots, part 26. Let's sculpt such hands. The main part is the hand, only in a few minutes, and it's for newbies. Okay, I switch to the Nomad app. This is the sculpt of the hands, and let's create a new one. Ach, there. New scene. Yes. I turn off the grid. I turn on the outline. And we don't need the sphere. We delete this one. We add a cylinder. And yes, okay. And the cylinder, I turn the wireframe on, and let's subdivide the cylinder a few times. Subdivide, subdivide, subdivide. Make it real high. The cylinder is not the important part. We can delete it later. And now we have a fine mesh. And now we need some help. Okay, let's go to the internet, and you search for hand silhouette, grayscale or black, and you search for a picture like this. And you can use every kind of picture you like your hand should look like. Let's take this one, press on it, and save to files or to photos, the photo library, and go back to the Nomad app. And now we need the mask tool. In the mask tool, we go in the settings, stroke settings, and we can add a photo on the small plus. And we choose the downloaded hand and add it. And now it's white and black, and we set on the alpha invert value. We can change the scaling that the hand fits in the circle, in the red circle. And we choose the flat fall off. And we not dot, grab dynamic radius. And then test the brush on the cylinder. And paint it on the cylinder. And the symmetry is on. Then you have both hands on both sides. Now go to the mask settings. Set the shell thickness to 0.75, or we can set it to 1. It's also okay. And then extract the shell. Then you get this. Now you got your hands. You can turn off the perspective view and go to the solo view. Okay, now the hands are ready. Now you can use the smooth brush, check the radius and the intensity, and you can brush a little bit on the parts here. It's you have to remesh it first, because there are no you see no voxels on this. Go to the remeshing and make it as 300 and remesh it. And now you have a fine, clear, remeshed hand. And now you can smooth it a little bit. Yes, the next parts, symmetry is on, and smooth it where you like. And you can increase the, yes, I think it's the right word, increase the intensity of the smoothing brush and try what happens. Yes, it's fine. And brush here along. Okay, the next thing is you can use the flattened brush. This is a flattened brush I showed in a video before, and you can flatten the fingers, the corners a little bit, and like you want. You can adjust the size, and it's a little bit, oops. No, that's not good. Okay. The rest of this is sculpting. And you can use also the move brush. And in the move brush, you can check your settings. Front first, this hook or this check mark, front facing vertex only works fine. And then you can adjust your brush a little bit and bring some parts out. And on the left side, there's a normal function, and the normal function helps also. I bring the intensity a little bit down, and yes, you can sculpt here. And oops. Make the shape of the hand correct. And the inside here. You can look for the anatomy of the hand, and you can use a crease brush. Where is it? And yes, make some details here. And move. I think here's a yes, the rest is sculpting and refining this. I turn now the solo view off, and I give this a matte cap. Let's use this, and let's give it also a matte cap, like this. Wireframe off. And on this object we can clear the mask. And now you can sculpt real fine on your hands. Okay, have fun with sculpting. Ciao.